Hi everybody, my name is Kelsey and I am the creator behind Kelsey Crafts. I am new to YouTube, but I am very excited to be here. I have been creating on TikTok for about 2 years now and I have loved the community over there and it's super fun, but I've had a lot of requests to come over here and create longer tutorials for all of you that are slowed down, more detailed, easier to follow, etc. And I am really excited to start that. As my bio says, I am a craftaholic who dabbles in lots of different things. I sew, I use my Cricut, I cross stitch, I crochet, I generally craft. And I love it all and I love sharing that knowledge with other people. And so I am really excited to be able to share that with you. I will be doing tutorials for all of those things as well as just see what I'm up to in my craft room today. So if that's something that is interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you and I can't wait to see what we create together.